I guess this is part 2 or 3 maybe. Got all kinds of stuff going on here today. What's interesting, if you notice this clutch mechanism, there's wooden pads used in this clutch mechanism. Fascinating stuff. I've never heard of this one before. I've never heard of this brand. That's interesting. Oh, look at these tiny ones. Amazing. I'm glad I brought a change of shoes today. So I think they have some like permanent exhibits set up here at this antique engine club. That's different. Ooh, wow, big generator. That's something you won't see every day. Can you imagine the amount of work that went into setting this thing up? I mean, these are pretty heavy. Alright, we got a tiny belt-driven machine shop here. Check it out. Believe it or not, in the state of Washington, I actually saw a shop Obviously, they weren't using the belts, but they had the belt system still installed in the roof area. I couldn't believe it. They built lathes back in the day, and building's still standing with the original running gear. Not that you needed to know that story. Check that out, that old scraping machine. That cuts metal by going back and forth like a wood plane in a way. It's been a long time since they scraped metal like that. Alright, I think that's going to wrap this up for now. Maybe there's going to be another part after this if I find something else.